For vehicle security system, contact us now on 0973 80 2708. We're in Lusaka and Ndola. Give us a call. We're also mobile. We deliver our services. Just make an appointment with us. We come to a place, your workplace. We come there. We do the job. No matter where you are, we can follow you and deliver our services, security systems. Okay, give us a call. Even GPS trackers we also do. Just tell us where you are, where you're watching from. If you are interested, give us a call, make an appointment with us. We come deliver our services. Feel free to contact us on 0973 80 2708. Location, we're in Lusaka and Ndola. We are also mobile. Give us a call. Leka nshite chipi mami bali kutebela omutima batuma nitule kulaka katushe fyo mwansheta. Give us a call on 0973 80 2708 for vehicle security systems, GPS tracker and car alarm systems. We do supplying and installation. Okay, so car alarm system, they are ongoing at 1,500. GPS trackers going at 1,700, supplying and installation.